यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे। ओम कृष्णाय नमः। ओम राधे गोविंदाय नमः। ओम राधे माधवाय नमः। Embodiment of divine souls, Amma's most beloved sweet children, Krishna Leelas. Krishna did so many Leelas, so many miracles, so many great things. A human being, a regular human being cannot do Leelas, no? He don't know how to do anything, he don't know anything. But God can do these wonderful things, no? That's why Krishna Leela. God, he was like a magnet power, no? He was great magnet, a biggest magnet can attract anything easily. Similarly, the Krishna is the greatest magnet. All the 33 crores gods are attracted by this magnet. All universal energies are attracted by this magnet. The nature was attracted by the magnet. When Krishna was starting playing the flute, total nature was completely spellbound. Cows are not going to eat any grass there. They just sit in front of Krishna and closing their eyes and enjoying Krishna's presence itself. It's called Sannidhi Shanti. The presence of God gives abundance of eternal peace. All the cows. So that's why Krishna was very eternal. This kind of divine Leelas, human being cannot do the Leela, no? Only God can do the Leelas. For that reason, Sri Krishna Saranam Mamam, Sri Hari Saranam Mamam, Sri Krishna Saranam Mama, Sri Hari Saranam Mama, Sri Krishna Saranam Mama, Sri Hari Saranam Mama. If you sit and sing that, no, you got tears of happiness, joy. Sri Krishna Saranam Mama. Oh, finish. We are surrendered to the Almighty. We don't know all these Upanishads, Vedas, mantras, ritualistic things, but we have love only we know. We love God so much. We love God like anything in our heart. Sri Krishna Saranam Mama. I am totally surrendered to you. Surrender, surrender, surrender. Saranagati, Saranagati, Saranagati. Saranagati is the main thing in the Vishnu Bhakti. We surrender to Almighty. We don't know anything about you. We love you so much. That is enough. If your heart will become pure, the magnet attract your heart. Then you are going to sing about Aula Mandalalona Tirige Allari Krishnaya Ni Atala Patala Smarinchute Madikanandamuram. This is also a beautiful Telugu song. He was going with the cows every day morning time with the food and everything in their hands, and they took all the way to the forest. All the cowboys and all these people are going to the forest, playing there and singing there and playing the flute, and they are enjoying so much to go to the forest together, all the young baby boys. Avula mandalalona tirige allari Krishnaya, O mischievous Krishna, ni atala patala smarinchute madikanandamura. To think about your stories, your plays, all your leelas, that is giving abundance of happiness to our heart. Abundance of happiness. We don't know Brahmananda, all the things, but abundance of happiness we got by thinking about your leelas, your miracles. O Krishna, we love you so much, O God, O Almighty. We love your divine lotus feet. Keep your lotus feet in our heart. Bless us. Purity in our heart. Don't allow any negativity in our heart. No anger, no greed, no jealous, no hatred, nothing. Just throw away all those things mercilessly from our heart. Just keep your divine lotus feet in our heart. This is the beautiful prayer. Sri Krishna Saranam Mama, Sri Hari Saranam Mama. With the Mahalakshmi, you are going to delete all the things. Hari. Completely you are taking everything from us, negativity. and purifies our heart. With the purity of the heart, we are able to understand your divine consciousness, Krishna. Grant us the Saranagati Bhavana. We are praying for the Saranagati feeling. Saranagati, surrender, 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 absolutely surrender to your divine consciousness. We are thinking about those innocent problems and worrying about ourselves, and keep your mind very hard. When we think about Krishna stories, our heart will become melted, and we are so pure and very loving natures, and our heart is overflowing with the Krishna's love and consciousness. That is very beautiful. In the Bhagavatam, Krishna is going to give up the body after some time, and he was going to the Vaikuntham. Uddhav, no? One of the Uddhav was listening about this story, and he was crying. Krishna, don't leave this world and don't give up us. You have to be always with us. He was crying so much in front of Krishna. Then Krishna says, where can I go? Coming and going is not for myself. I am all pervading, he says. How to experience this Bhagavan Krishna? Krishna is a eternal divine lamp. We have a small example. Morning time, we have the bright sunlight. So then I took a small candle, and then I want to see the sun in this candlelight. How it is, children? Inside house is a little bit dark. And then I took the candle, I want to see the sun with this candle. How innocent and ignorant this one. Similarly, Krishna is the absolute light of all the lights, is the consciousness. How to see Krishna, how to see Krishna, you don't worry about that. Pray and pray and pray and pray and pray and surrender, surrender, surrender. Love, love, love Krishna. Krishna is love. Love the love. Love the love. And then what happened? You are going to see that lamp without a candle. So what you have to do is, you just have the love on Bhagavan Krishna and surrender to Bhagavan Krishna, and then think about the Leelas of Bhagavan Krishna and chant the mantra of Bhagavan Krishna and surrender to Bhagavan Krishna. Love him absolutely, more than anything in this world, in your heart. Keep your heart absolutely blemishless. Don't engage with the ego, and don't engage with any grudges or negativity or anger, and all the things are absolutely innocent things. There is a beautiful poem for Bhagavan Krishna in Potanamacha Bhagavatam. Chikkadu vratamula kratuvula. So many vratams, no? We did like Varalakshmi Vratam, Sivaratri Vratam, Navaratri Vratam. If you do thousands and thousands of Vratams also, to get Bhagavan's grace with all the impurity still in the heart, so many desires and negativity and all the things are one side, we are doing constantly thousands of Vratams and everything in our entire life. Chikkadu Vratamula Kratubula. So many yajnas. Very lavishly we performed yajnas, and innumerable yajnas we did. I did this many yajnas, I did that many yajnas, and we are boosting ourselves. This is useless. Chikkadu yogamula yagambula. So many yogas we are doing. I am doing Karma Sannyas Yogam, I am doing the Bhakti Yogam, I am a Jnana Yogi, I am a so-and-so yogi. With any yogas, we are not able to capture him. If we pray Bhagavan, he fulfilled our desires, worldly desires. Whatever you are asking, he is giving all those things, but not the grace. Grace means his darshan. You have to go with him absolutely, with enjoying the Brahmananda within yourself. Chikkadu yuktiki, raktiki. So you are so intelligent, you are not able to capture Bhagavan Krishna with your intellectual power. Still these ignorance things are still in the life. So impossible to get the grace of Bhagavan Krishna. Sweet children, today Janmashtami day, we have to get the grace of Krishna. Ashtami day, Rohini Nakshatram comes. This more auspicious time, more great time. The merits are grand to be for the people who did the Vratam on this day. Definitely this was the assurance. If they do the puja to Bhagavan Krishna with 100% devotion, they attain Bhagavan's grace and attain salvation in this lifetime. So this is the beautiful assurance from Bhagavan Krishna. We have to elevate towards that level, to purify ourselves with the Krishna name. Bhakti ki chikkinatlu achyutundu. The achyutundu, There is no chuti for him. It is never going to be destroyed. It's absolutely indestructible power is Krishna. That indestructible power is never going to be decayed or destroyed by anything also. So భక్తికి చిక్కినట్లు అచ్యుతుండు చిక్కడు వ్రతముల క్రతువుల చిక్కడు యోగముల యాగముల చిక్కడు యుక్తికి he is never going to capture by any of these things. So his grace is abundance on him. My sweet beloved children, Amma, special love to all of you on this special occasion of Krishnashtami, Janmashtami day. Pray God, have his darshan in your heart. Be kind and be lovely person. Be like a lighthouse in the society to give light to all of us in the society. Destroy the dark forces in the society with your devotion and love and selflessness. I love you so much again and again from my heart. Thank you so much, children. Love you once again. Amma special motherly love on this auspicious occasion. Once again to my beloved children. Thank you. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.